Alright, so today, I'm like so excited because I'm trying out my first ever wig from Amazon. Like, I've been so scared to try a wig from Amazon. I went through the reviews and I searched and I searched, and I finally came to the conclusion of what type of wig that I wanted to try out first. And I got a headband wig from Amazon. This is the packaging that it came in. We're gonna open this together. I have not opened it or anything, and I'm like super excited about it. All right, so to start off, it comes with, what is this? Oh, look at this, girl. It comes with some headbands, and look, it matches my shirt that I have on. So it comes with 3 cute headbands. That's a plus. I'm happy about that. It also comes with wig cap. Need a wig cap. And it comes with a little card. And this is the vendor that it is from. I'll put that link in the description box. And small disclaimer, she is a Cinderella wig. I was scared to get a human one. She's a Cinderella wig. So without further ado, let's just open her up. That's all that's in there. Here she go. It's wrapped in like a netting. And it had wonderful reviews on it. People said that they love it. Like I said, I was scared. I was scared to order a wig from Amazon, but here she go. She's very, very cute. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap my hair. Alright guys, so I have my hair wrapped up. I think I should have left some of my edges out, but we're gonna see how that works out once I actually put the wig on. So it seems like it's just pretty simple to just put on. It has some combs in the inside. So let's just pop this thing on and see what she gives. Alright, so there she go. I have her on. And yes, I needed to leave some edges out. So I'm going to go back in and pull some edges out. Alright, so I'm pulling some of my edges out, and I'm thinking that I want to go back in and pull out some bangs. So hold on, let me pull out some bangs, and so it can resemble my hair prior. Okay, alright, so I went back in and I pulled some bangs out. So I want to pop that wig back on because I was thinking like maybe I can make it resemble my natural hair. Alright, so I got the bangs out. It's looking very wiggy. So I'm going to, even though it's a different color, different animal, well, it's about the same animal, but it's a different color, I'm still going to put it on just for this video purposes. Hey, cool cats and kittens. Kids, if you have not seen the Joe Exotic documentary, you've been under a rock. I don't know. You don't get it? I don't know what to say. But let's pop this headband on and see what that looks like.
Good.
Okay, so there she goes. I'm gonna try to turn to the side a little bit so you guys can see like the true length of it. Alright, it feels great. I like the hair. It's not tangling that much. I really like it with this bang. It's giving me like 90s vibes. It's cute. It blends with my natural hair very well. So like that's a plus. I can just put this on and go when I do, you know, don't feel like doing my natural hair for real, and I want to have like a natural look. I can't stop messing with this hair. Let me stop messing with it. However, this is an Amazon wig, guys. This wig was under think it was under $40. Honestly, I don't remember the exact price, but you have Amazon Prime, you get it within 3 days. That's even a plus. I like what she's giving. I really like what she's giving. I need like some sunglasses and some like, let me see. Hold on. Honey, I'm ready to hang out. Look, this is so quick. You can get this, you can get ready to go in under 10 minutes. You don't even need to put no makeup on. You can put some sunglasses and some lipsticks and a headband wig type of day, honey. This Amazon wig is a thumbs up. Alright guys, so I give this Amazon wig a thumbs up. I want you guys to try this wig out. It's so versatile. It's just, it's everything. I have like literally fell in love with it. And I only tried it on for today. Anybody can do it. It's easy. It's great for beginners. It's true to length. It's like so long for me. And it's very long. But until next time, I'm going to see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's subscribe, people. If you don't like these type of videos, tell me what kind of videos you like, and I'll get that video out there for you. Until next time, peace.